Alright guys, so we're back at Broken Ed. We are doing Christopher's birthday ride. He wanted to bring his ATVs and just ride around. So I'm probably not going to do a lot of technical things. I'm just going to follow them and record them. So all my boys are right here. You guys don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hopefully I won't have to do a lot of rescues today because I'm just recording today. The boys are having fun. That's all that matters. There's Mikey J going through it. There's Christopher. Our boys just love doing things like this, and I'm so proud of them. And of course, Chris is like king of mud. Alright, so he's going to have to get towed out. You better hold on, Michael. Go ahead, baby. Push it. Good job. There you go. Well, Michael's ATV just cut off on him for some reason. And of course, as always, we get to fix things on the trail.
Mama's tired of us getting all the playtime. It's alright that you're not aired down. It'll be alright. You want tire to be a little bit harder for this anyways.
Yeah, I'm going to stand in a second, so it's fine.
Go on out there. You ain't got no lockers on? Keep on going. You alright? You alright? Keep on going. Hey, I tell you what, dude. Turn back up, put it in reverse, and start backing up and turn out passenger. Start backing up. Back up. Keep on going backwards. You got to go backwards, honey. Go. Keep going. You got to go. You can't keep putting it. Alicia, you got. turn passenger and go backwards. Look at her, she's doing that whiny shit she does when she gets freaked out. That's how you know when she's scared. She does it. All right, go backwards. Don't tell her I told y'all that. Keep on going backwards. Keep on going, honey. All right, straight through here, right at me. Don't tell her what I told y'all. How you can tell when she's scared. Water bottle floating.
Yep. Good thing I don't have carpet anymore. Oh shit, it's in here too.
It's alright.
I think this one's too deep for the boys, but we'll see. Come on, baby, you got it. I don't think the boys need to go through that. And Chris got stuck. Come on, baby, you got it. Keep going.
Hey, stop. Now, floor it through there.
Watch out, Mike. Floor it like you do it at the house. Good job.
That's how you do it. You got two-wheel drive.
I think it's the mud that it doesn't like. All right, so let me open my door. I really need to pull the plug. Good thing I don't have carpet. Yep. It's okay, baby. All right, so here's my front. Oh, it's pulled. No, it's not pulled yet. There you go. My ducks and all.
I need him to understand, like, when if the four-wheeler is leaning this way, he needs to lean opposite.
Opposite, yeah. Oh, there's a puddle. His favorite thing, freaking mud.
Was it? Go down in the bowl and up and out of it. Go down and out of it. Go.
Dad.
Hey.
Dad. Dad.
What?
I was like still on the throttle.
You were being hard on the throttle?
Yeah, because like this. Dad! Mommy! Stop.
Hey.
Straight.
Back down. You got to go harder. Hey. Got to go harder. I think that's what he didn't want to do, was that portion.
He'll do it in his Jeep.
Yeah, because he's in a harness and a seat and a Jeep's got full roll cage around
You're okay.
it. Go!
There you go.
Dad, I was still on the
Straight.
throttle.
Good job, Christopher. I always put lockers on when I go through mud, just to give me that extra boost, I guess. I was kind of stuck. I wasn't stuck in between two trees. It was really tight squeeze, and that particular trail, I guess,
ATVs
is
made it.
meant for side-by-sides and ATVs. And my Jeep is really wide. I heard something pop.
Yeah.
And I just assumed it was just tire rubbing, but it wasn't the case. So,
See the aluminum? It was almost like it backed out except for that little bit right there.
yeah.
And I guess it tore it out.
So can we fix it? Can we get home?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
I mean, I got tools. I don't know if I should have enough to fix it. Because I got that other clamp in there.
oh yeah, you do.
But I got to see if I got Allen wrenches, Allen keys with me.
I might have them in my Jeep. I gotta look. So as I, pulled over, Pete had seen that my hydro assist came loose. So we are on the trail fixing stuff again. Are you having fun? So we're going to try to make it back out to the truck so we can get a temporary fix so I can get home. All right. Yep. Coming. That's Mikey.
Stay straight. Hey, go around. Just like birds.
Okay.
So, babe,
Yeah.
Bake me water.
you're fixing it on trails. Well, on a trailer. Temporary fix, right?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Just until, so I can get home.
Mommy,
I don't think we're done, Christopher.
Mom, can you give me a water? Because I don't want to work my
Christopher, please go get a drink for your brother.
Mom, your teeth.
I was trying to avoid all the mud puddles and everything. It's the second time that we've had issues with this. So unfortunately, we did not have a certain bolt that needed for my hydro assist to fix to continue riding, and that's not a problem. I'll limp her home. We're not that far from here, and we'll get it fixed. But for right now, that's the end of our wheeling trip, and stay tuned. Thank you. So we literally just got home, maybe 3-4 minutes ago. I said we just got home maybe 3 or 4 minutes ago. This one, wait, this one, whatever, is trying to work on my Jeep already, so I'm going to turn y'all around. Now that we have right tools, well, Pete has right tools, he'll go ahead and see what happened. You think it just came loose? What do you think happened? Why do you think that happened? Why do you think my hydro assist just said, screw you today? And we were on the easiest trail. The only
You were following me and the kids before.
So this is the second time that he's having to fix and adjust my hydro assist. The first time it happened at River Rock when I got stuck on that buggy line. I'm sure you guys have seen that video. If you haven't, go check it out.
Well, you can show them what we're about to put on it, dude. this little single nut or bolt straight in like that is the problem.
Yeah.
You see it stripped, pulled the bolt out, put all the threads out with it.
Which is crazy.
Yeah, so it took the bolt when you got wedged up,
Yeah.
which, I mean, hell, I don't know, but it snatched all the threads out.
Yeah.
But it ain't but a bolt. It's bolted down that holds the hydro ram on there. That's the problem. But now we got a double shear mount, so shouldn't do that again.
I was just gonna say, hopefully that will fix the problem, because I would hate to be stuck on extremely hard trail or a spot and then my hydro assist just go out on me.
For you to have to actually steer your Jeep with manpower.
I hate you sometimes.
Huh?
I hate you sometimes. Well, that's what I had to do, and the weird thing is, but I guess it's not weird because I got spoiled with hydro assist now. I just couldn't turn, and when I was turning, it was snatching me back, and I'm like, okay, what the heck? I knew something happened,
A little too hard.
but I refused to be without hydro assist.
I don't blame you. I would be too.
It's like once you have it, you don't ever want to be without it.
This is the one you got now.
That's the one that we're going to, well, you're going to
It's
install.
gonna go in there. And then you got two of these that's pushing and pulling now instead of it being flat with a bolt down it. And these are on the bottom.
So it'll be easier to get them off.
I feel
too.
like it's easier. I mean, they can get smacked and get messed up, but it's better than having to mess with it on top.
Yeah.
But it is what it is.
I mean, that's the way to put it in.
All right, now
Yes.
the bolt goes through there.
So that's it. All right, guys. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and when you do subscribe,
Follow.
oh, and follow. Excuse me. Ooh. And when you do subscribe, once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we will give away. We'll be giving away Dana 44 locker, so ARB locker. Anyway, you guys have a great day, and we can't wait to see you. We can't wait to see you
And it's made home.
during our next video.